speech choreography or Cupid. This is a gorgeous move. It looks so beautiful, and especially when you're on spin and you just whizzing around the pole, it's beautiful. There is quite a lot of technique involved, and the key points in that technique is just to drive your hips forward and don't have slippy feet, okay? So if you've got slippy feet, you might want to give them a wipe now before playing with this move. So let's talk about it from the floor first. So we've got the inside leg on nice and high. If you can't get your leg that high, just take a little side climb up. And then from there, I'm just going to take this bottom foot and lift it onto the pole, just like that, okay? I'm just going to do that a few times, just to get used to that sensation of putting the foot on. I'm going to switch to the other side, do the same thing. And then once you feel okay with that, I want you to start thinking about lifting your hips back, because what you can do then is start gauging whether you've got the grip in that foot or not. So you from there, lift, hips, drop, down, release. We'll go back to the other side, so we're just doing it in those stages for now. So leg, foot, foot, hips, lift, drop, down. So as you can see, my foot's slippy, so I'm going to wipe that. And yeah, you can't really help that, but you'll just get stronger the more you try, and sometimes you can kind of ignore the slip. So put some chalk on as well, share my methods with you. So the idea now is that once you've got the hip up, maybe like that, is that you take both hands off. I think that's a nice variation as well to come back on. So let's try that together. So we're gonna let's do a little side climb up now. So we're going from there, pull, hand, leg, hand, lower, foot's gonna come round to there. If I feel okay, I'm gonna push my hips up, hips out, hands off. Hands back on. I'm up the pole, but I can scoot off. Okay, let's go to the other side. So again, we'll take you through that little side climb. So inside leg on. Hand, leg. Find that position first, hips back, hips forwards. So that foot's too slippy, back on, release. Okay, so one foot might be slippy than the other, but you're still kind of getting through it and learning that position. So go and play with that, even if your foot is slippy, because as you can see, it's still possible. So go enjoy.